Hello children, how are you? Welcome back to online social science classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today we are going to study about the topic the medicinal plants of India and wildlife. Let us start our class. Dear children, let us discuss some medicinal plants in India. India is known for its herbs and spices from ancient times. Some 2000 plants have been described in Ayurveda and at least 500 are in regular use. The commonly used plants in India are Sarpagandha. This is Sarpagandha. It is used to treat blood pressure. It is found only in India. Next one, Jamun. The juice from ripe fruit is used to prepare vinegar, which is good for digestion. The powder of the seed is used for controlling diabetes. Next, Arjun. This is Arjun. The fresh juice of leaves is a cure for earache. It is also used to regulate blood pressure. Next, Babul. Leaves are used as a cure for eye sores. Its gum is used as a tonic. Next, Neem. This is very familiar to you. Has high antibiotic and antibacterial properties. Okay, Neem is used for it is high antibiotic and antibacterial properties. Next, Tulsi. Tulsi is very familiar for you. It is used to cure cough and cold. Next, Kanchanar. It is used to cure asthma and ulcers. The buds and roots are good for digestive problems. Dear children, identify more medicinal plants in your area. Which plants are used as medicines by local people to cure some diseases? Dear children, we studied about the natural vegetation. Next, we are going to study about the wildlife. India is also rich in its fauna. It has approximately 90,000 animal species. The country has about 2,000 species of birds. They constitute 13% of the world's total. You know that the elephants are the most majestic animals among the mammals. They are found in the hot west forest of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros are the other animals which live in the swampy, means wet, and marshy lands of Assam and West Bengal. Indian bison, blue bull, gazelle and different species of deer are some other animals found in India. It also has several species of monkeys. The Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in 1972 in India. Very important. Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in India in 1972. India is the only country in the world that has both tigers and lions. The natural habitat of Indian lion is the Gir forest in Gujarat. So the Gir forest is famous for Indian lion. It is located in Gujarat. The Gir forest is the last remaining habitat of Asiatic lion. Tigers are also found in the forest of Madhya Pradesh, the Sundarbans of the West Bengal and the Himalayan regions. The Himalayas harbor a hardy range of animals which survive in extreme cold. So, where is Gir forest located? Gujarat. What is the importance of Gir forest? It is the natural habitat of Indian lion. Dear children, Birds' life in India is colorful. Peacocks, pheasants, ducks, parakeets, cranes, and pigeons are some of the birds inhabiting the forest and wetlands of the country. So, birds' life is very colorful in India. But quite a few animal species are also endangered and some have become extinct. Why? Large scale deforestation, urbanization and industrialization, pollution, hunting for pleasure and commercial purpose, and increase in population. That means the main causes for this major threat to nature are hunting by the greedy hunters for commercial purposes. Then pollution due to chemical and industrial waste, acid deposits, introduction of alien species, and reckless cutting. Reckless means careless cutting of the forest to bring land under cultivation and habitation are also responsible for the imbalance. Dear children, to protect the flora and fauna of the country, the government has taken many steps. Okay, what steps have been taken by the government to protect the flora and fauna of the country? Do you know 18 biosphere reserves have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna? 10 out of these, the Sundarbans, Nanda Devi, the Gulf of Mannar, the Nilagiri, Nokrek, Great Nicobar, Manas, Simlifal, Pachmarhi, and Achanakmar, Amarkandak have been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Financial and technical assistance is provided to many botanical gardens by the government since 1992. Okay, the government provided some financial and technical help. Okay, to protect the flora and fauna. Next, Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard, and many other eco-development projects have been introduced to protect the tiger, rhino, and Great Indian Bustard. The government introduced several projects. They are known as Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard. Next, 103 national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries, and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage. So, very important question. What are the steps taken by the government to protect flora and fauna? 18 biosphere reserves have been set up in our country. Financial and technical assistance is provided. Next, Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard, and many other eco-development projects have been introduced. 103 national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries, and zoological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage. Dear children, this chapter is over. In this chapter, we studied about natural vegetation and wildlife. All of us must realize the importance of natural ecosystem for our own survival. It is possible if indiscriminate destruction of natural environment is put an immediate end. Okay. Dear students, our chapter is over. I would like to wind up this session. I will teach the map work regarding this chapter in the next class. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test question are also attached. Attend the test paper. We can meet in the next session. Bye students.